Hi, I'm Dr. Siddhi Sathe and I was one of the program coordinators for Elevate. So, I'm firstly grateful to team Elevate for providing this opportunity. It was a great opportunity and volunteering for this workshop was my pleasure. At the same time, when I attended the day-long conference today, it gave me a lot of insights into the prospects of pharma industry and other careers that we know less about. So, it was enlightening and a very good experience to start off at the residency level itself. So, I sincerely thank the entire team of Elevate, and it was a more of an informal conference, somewhere where we could connect with the people who have just entered industry or have a decade long experience in it. So, I think that is important to answer some queries which normally do not get answered in other conferences and workshops which have very senior faculty. So, I think this is one of the brownie point of attending Elevate. So, do register. Thank you.